Hi, hello, what's up? This is Ina, and today we're checking out Milwaukee's M18 Random Orbit Sander. Let's see what's inside. Now here's the user manual, some sandpaper, vacuum adapters, and the dust collector itself. Now let's get a closer look. Moving on to its features, here's where you turn it on. Here's its awesome pad, and right here you can change the speed. Here's a closer look at the vacuum adapters. Now thank you guys so much for watching, and this has been brought to you by GLI for you.